श्रीमान् वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि आपादचूडमनुभूय हरिं शयानं मध्ये गवेरतिर्मुदिदान्तरात्मा अदृष्टतां नयनयोर्विषयान्तराणां योनिश्चिखाय मनवै मुनिवाहनं तं काट्टवे कण्डपादकमलं नल्लाडयुन्ति तेट्टरुं मुदरबन्धं तिरुवार्पु कण्डं செவ்வாய் வாட்டமில் கண்கள் மேனி முனியேறி தனி புகுந்து பாட்டினால் கண்டு வாழும் பாணர்த்தாள் பரவினோமே. We have been immersing ourselves in the beautiful Vyakyanams, commentaries, compilation by Srimad Aishingar 45th Patam from the book Yerar Gunamum Yezhiluruvam. We have been enjoying Tiruppanazhvar Pasurams as beautifully explained by Srimad Aishingar. It's a real blessing for Adiyan to share these to the best of Adiyans or the lack of Adiyan's abilities, qualification, proficiency in any language, so to speak, be it Tamil, Sanskritam or English. So still இளைய புன் கவிதையேலும் எம்பிரார்க்கு இனியவாறே என்ற ரீதியில் the child babble is loved and adored by the parents and the abhimanis. So thank you for your overwhelming support, encouragement and motivation. Let's enjoy after the Thiru Marbu, the divine chest of Perumal. Now is the Muttrum Unda Kandam. So, there is a beautiful write-up. Tunda Venpirayam Tuyar Tirthavan Anjiraya Vandu Vazh Pozhil Sool Aranganakar Meya Appan Andaranda Bahirandathu Orumaanilamum Elumal Varai Muttrum Unda Kandam Kandir Adiyenai Uyyak Kondade. Here, we talked about the chest competing with the udaram, the stomach, saying that the chest is the one that houses the chetanas and the achetanas. The chest is the one that seats Pirati on the lotus flower, on the haram, and well protected by the haram. Aramar badandro adiyenai uyyakondade. So here adiyenai aatkondade. So here the neck, unda kandam kande, the kantam, the neck is now talking, and it starts off with a bang, a first ball sixer. The neck is saying that look at the way you people are glorifying the divine chest, and you don't even think about me, the neck. Even Srimad Aishingar does not know the reason or the cause of the divine chest Vaibhava, and he is writing pages after pages about the divine chest. Srimad Aishingar himself writes this. So, and I am very upset that, and he is collecting so many fans across the globe for the chest, talking great about the divine chest of Perumal, without even thinking that this neck is the one which is grander than the divine chest. And what were the reasons the chest was saying? Tell me. It said it has all the abharanam, it has the haram, and it is seating the divine Pirati. But who is supporting all these abharanams and also the Pirati, who is seated on the haram? Who is that? Who is holding the maru, the srivatsam, all that? Who is taking care of the mala, the necklace, the abharanam? If somebody has a big golden chain on his chest, what will pain? The neck will pain, not the chest. The chest is only a resting place. Pattum padamalum irukkum. So the neck is the one which fully supports all these things. whether it is Pirati or the Chetanas, the Achetanas, the Haram, the Abharanams, all weight is carried by me, the neck. And Tirumarbu is glorifying as if it is doing everything. Tiruppanazhvar and Srimad Aishingar fell in love with that divine chest. They write pages after pages of the divine chest and trying to capture the audience and the fans for the chest. Now think about it. Had I not been there, what would happen to the Abharanams and the Harams? They would all fall off. Perumal Vakshastanam, Vasastanam. She is sitting on my support. And you people are all talking about the chest. So now Srimad Aishingar says, okay, I listen. I understand. So Srimad Aishingar responds, now you tell me about your glories. I would also write pages after pages about your glories. Okay, then it is pleased and it begins to talk. Pirati is sitting comfortably because of my support. Actually it is me who is holding. And the divine chest was talking about the Aimpadai Tali, Amai Tali, Puli Nakam to show his Saulabhyam, and wants to have a score over the navel or the Udara Bandham, the Tambu Kaire, which was tied down to the divine waist of Perumal. But look at my neck. The neck is so strong, and the neck is the one to show my Paratvam. If the stomach is saying that it is retaining all the people, all the universe inside its stomach, inside the belly of Perumal during the Mahapralayam, Tiruvayitru Udara Bandham. If that is the case, how is he consuming all the universe, the Jivatma? Through the neck. Muttrum Unda Kandam Kandir. If the mountains and the oceans and the Jivatmas and the universe and the Prakriti are all swallowed through the neck, which is grander? Is the big belly where they are placed, where they are residing, or the small neck through the hole, through the gullet it enters, and which houses everything? So who is better, me or the navel, or the stomach, or the belly, or even the chest, which is housing the Chetanas and the Achetanas? But Muttrum Vunda Kandam Kandir Adiyenai Vuya Kondade. And I am the one which supports all the Abharanams and the Harams. See, Parasara Bhattar also mentions that the neck is like the Pak Maram. Pak Maratin Kazhuth, the neck of the Pak Maram, the betel nut tree. The Shank, the white conch shell. Like that, Perumal's neck is there. It is slightly narrow at the top and the bottom, and thicker at the middle. It is beautiful white, like a white conch shell. Then the white conch shell, the Shank, it is so beautiful. And it has got beautiful 3 lines. And Sri Ranganathan's neck is so loved and adored by Pirati. If Pirati is seated on the divine chest, the Pirati, Sri Devi, Bhudevi, Neela Devi, when they hug, they do not hug the chest, they hug the neck. They hug the neck so tightly when they recline next to the Perumal. Their bangles have a mark on the neck. Their திருக்கைகள் நிறைய வளைகள் அணையப்பட்டுள்ளன. The bangles, the lot of bangles, dense bangles which they wear are imprinted on the neck because they hug me tight. And the next day one can see the marks of those bangles on the neck. What else do I need? This this glory, this Vaibhavam is only for me. And this Parasara Bhattar is saying, let this neck enchant me. Parasara Bhattar says, Ramayatu samam khantaha Sriranganetu rudanchita Kramukha dharuna griva Gambu pralamba malim luchaha Pranaya vilaka lakshmi Vishwambara karakantali Kanaka valaya krida Sankan Tareka Ivollasan. Sri Rangarajastavam Purva Shatakam. He mentions about the glory of the Tirukazhuthu, the neck, by mentioning that the bangles of Piratis, that the marks of the bangles of Pirati one can see on the Tirukazhuthu, on the neck. And may that Kazhuthu excite me, enchant me, make me be the dasatvam of Perumal. Make me, stupefy me with its beauty. And more than everything, it is the neck which gives the voice of Perumal in the Gambiram. Gambira Ganta Dhvani. The neck is the one that gives voice. Vakyam abhyadate Krishnaha Sudamstro Dundubiswanaha Jimuta iva garmante Sarvam samsraya vayan shabham. In the Shabai, in Duryodhana Sabai, Krishna begins to talk, and it is like the Dundubi Swanaha, Dundubi Vadya Voli, Dundubi Vadya Gambiram. That much Dhvani it has. Vyasar glorifies the Dhvani, the Ganta Dhvani of Perumal. Even Maharishis glorify the Panchajanyam. It is with the neck, with the Dhvani, he blows the conch shell. So, this Yashodai Kattiya Talumbu is the Shaulabhyam, but this neck is the Shaulabhyam, because neck is the one that holds the messenger, the Volai Chuvadi which Krishna was wearing as the Pandava Dutan. The neck is holding that Volai Chuvadi, the message to show him as the messenger. And Tirumangai also mentions Senchudarum, Pulanum, Ponkar Kadalum, Poruppum, Neruppum, Nerikippuga Pon Midare. During the Pralaya Kalam, the Chandra Surya Tejas, the Bhumi, the Alai Kadal, the Malai, the Agni, the mountain, everything go through this middatri, through this Kazhuthu. Tirumangai mentions. From these Sri Sukti, one can understand that it is a neck which is Ramayatu Mam Sakhantaha. And this slokam is already explained. It is Ramayam. It has got 3 lines. And look at the way the Azhagiya Manavala Perumal Nayanar writes the Sri Suktis. Let me just read. It's so sweet. கீழ்ப்பாட்டில் அதாவது 5வது பாட்டில் திருமார்பானது ஹாராத்யாபரண சோபையும் பெரிய பிராட்டிக்கு கோயில் கட்டணமாகிற மேன்மையையும் காட்டி தம்மை திருப்பானாழ்வாரை திருவயிற்றினின்றும் வரவழைத்து எழுதிக் கொண்டபடியே சொல்லிற்று. இதில் 6வது பாட்டான இதில் அந்த திருமார்பிற்கு மேலாய் ரமயதுமாம் சகண்டஹா என்கிறபடியே இந்த ஸ்லோகமும் இதன் அர்த்தமும் முன்பு இங்கு விளக்கப்பட்டது. கமுகு கன்றின் கழுத்து போல பசுகு என்றிருப்பதாய் ரேகாத்ரயாங்கிதமாய் 3 கோடுகளால் அலங்கரிக்கப்பட்டதாய் 2 அருகும் நெருங்கி நடுவு பெருத்திருக்கையாலும் மொசுகு என்றிருக்கிற நாதத்தை துவனியை உடைத்தாயிருக்கையாலும் ஸ்ரீ பாஞ்சஜன்யம் போலே இருக்கிற திருக்கழுத்தானாது கூறுகிறது. இந்த திருமார்புக்குள்ளது அலர்மேல் மங்கை உரைமார்பா என்கிறபடியே பெரிய பிராட்டியாருக்கு கோயில் கட்டணமாயிருக்கிற ஆகாரமும் திருஹாரத்தாலே அலங்கிருதமான ஆகாரமுமே அன்றே. இவளைப் போலே பெரிய பிராட்டியாகிற மகாலட்சுமி போன்ற சங்கு தங்கு முன்கையராயிருப்பர். வளைகள் தங்கப்பெற்ற திருக்கைகளை உடைய அநேக நாய்ச்சிமார்கள் பூமி நீலாதேவிகள் தங்கள் கைகளாலே அணைக்கையாலே அந்த ஆபரணங்கள் அழுந்த அவற்றாலே முத்ரிதராயிருப்போரும் நாமல்லவோ? அதனால் நாம் அண்டத்திற்கு உள்ளிருக்கிற ஜீவராசிகளையும் ரட்சித்தோரும் நாமல்லவோ? சகல அண்டங்களையும் தந்தவர்த்திகளையும் அது கிடக்க அவள்தான் பெரிய பிராட்டியார்தான் மார்பிலே இருந்து அணைப்பது நம்மையன்றோ, நம் கழுத்தை என்றோ? அதுவும் கிடக்க பாண்டவர்கள் தூது விடுகிற போது கட்டிவிட்ட மடக்கோலை இன்று நம் பக்கலேயே என்றோ கிடக்கிறது. அந்த ஹாரந்தனுக்கும் தாரகம் நாமல்லவோ? அந்த ஹாரத்துக்கும் சப்போர்ட் நாமல்லவோ? என்றெல்லாம் கூறி தன்னுடைய ஆபரண சோபையையும் யௌவனத்தையும் ஆபன் நிவாகரத்துவத்தையும் காட்டி என்னை திருப்பானாழ்வாரை சம்சாரமாகிற பிரளய ஆபத்தினின்று உஜ்ஜீவிப்பது என்கிறார். என்ன பியூட்டிஃபுல் லைன்ஸ் பை ஸ்ரீ அழகிய மணவாளப் பெருமாள் நாயனார், which I have already explained previously. Even Varadaraja Panchasat Swami Desikan mentions in 47th verse about the 3 bangles which are seen in the morning, the marks of the bangles, so beautifully. And hence even Thirumangayalvar mentions in Periya Tirumazhi, நெற்றிமேர் கண்ணானும் நிறைமொழிவாய் நான்முகனும் நீண்ட நாள்வாய் ஒற்றை கைவன் பகட்டின் ஒருவனையும் உள்ளிட்ட அமரரோடும் வெற்றி போர்க்கடல் அரையன் விழுங்காமல் தான் விழுங்கி உய்யக் கொண்ட கொற்றப் போராழியான் குணம் பரவா சிறு தொண்டர் கொடியவாரே. 11.6.3 த ருத்ரன், நெற்றிமேல் கண்ணான், நான்முகன், சதுர்முகன், and all of them, the Indiran, அமரர்கள், தேவாஸ், யூனிவர்ஸ், people, everybody was protected in the திருவயிறு. If had he not protected in that stomach, the கடல் அரசன் விழுங்கி இருப்பான். The pralayam, Maha Pralayam would have simply swallowed everybody. But Perumal, because of his Kalyana Gunam, these Alpers were protected by Perumal. Such a Mahagunam was glorified by Thirumangayalvar. And he says, these Idara Devatas, all the Devatas and the universe and the beings were taken through the Tirukandam and protected, retained in the stomach. And during the Srishtikalam, after through the Tirujoti Vai, through the neck, again it was spit out. So these Devas are all Yechil Devargal. There is nobody who is not an Yechil Devar other than Sriman Narayana. Swami Desikan mentions also in the Avatarikai the same way. Even Sri Bhashyakarar mentions about the Dhwani. Kadamam Bhagavan Swakiyaya Atihithalaya Drisha Avalokya Snigdha Gambhira Maduraya Gira Paricharyayam Ajñapayishyati. When would he, so Emperumanar longs, when would Perumal beautifully with his majestic voice, Gambhiraya Vacha, with his majestic voice, order me, instruct me to perform Kainkaryam? When will he be able to instruct me with eternal Kainkaryam? The Muktan is enjoying that Dhwani. Adiye, such a beautiful Pasuram. துண்டவெண் பிரயம் துயர் தீர்த்தவன் அஞ்சிறைய வண்டுவாழ் பொழில் சூழ் அரங்கநகர் மேய அப்பன் அண்டரண்ட பகிரண்டத்து ஒரு மாநிலம் எழுமால் வரை முற்றும் உண்ட கண்டம் கண்டீர் அடியேனை உய்யக்கொண்டதே. திருப்பானாழ்வார் திருவடிகளே சரணம். கவிதார்க்கிக சிம்மாய கல்யாண குணசாலினே ஸ்ரீமதே வெங்கடேஷாய வேதாந்த குரவே நமः. தன்யோஸ்மி.